Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. Subscribe to our channel for more. 8 minus 1 in parentheses times 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7 again. Now, 7 times 7 gives us 49. But this answer is not correct because according to the order operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. So according to the PEMDAS, that is here in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this multiplication and this subtraction. If we do this multiplication and this subtraction first, it is wrong. Now, start with these parentheses. 8 minus 1 gives us 7. Let's rewrite the expression. We have 7 times 8 minus 1. Now, in next step, we have 1 multiplication and 1 subtraction. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and higher priority than addition and subtraction. So we have to start with this multiplication, not this subtraction. 7 times 8 equals 56. Now 56 minus 9 gives us 55. So the final answer to this expression is 55. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you